Hi everyone, it's Doug from Bjorn Territory, and in this video I'll show you how to paint some French Fusiliers to my usual 3-foot fabulous standard. Nice and quick and easy, and get them on the battlefield. Catch you in a bit. So, starting with my French Peninsular Fusilier, I'm just starting. I did a base coat in grey, and I'm going to begin by adding Kiselev flesh to the face, using a mixture of Vallejo and Games Workshop paints. So that's what I got to hand. So the next colour I'm going to use is contrast ultramarine blue for the tunic, and at the moment not being particularly neat, just want to build up the basic layers of colour first. So now that the blue's dry, I'm coming in with white, flat white from the Vallejo. I'm just working on the straps and the trousers to begin with. Alright, making a bit of progress, nearly forgot the hat, so that's now blue. Coming in now with a little bit of red. I'm using Mephiston red, because that's the one I have to hand. The next colour I'm coming in with is black, and I'm focusing on the shako. Focus on some of the level work, so the ammo pouch. Next, got a bit of flat brown. I'm going to use this for the wood of the musket. Again, get a chance to tidy up the last mistakes for the next colour. Strap right across the chest. Next one, I'm using saddle brown for the backpack. For the hair, I'm just going in with a darker brown. For the blanket roll, I'm just using Storm Vermin, which is like, I suppose it's like a browny green, greeny brown. The blankets seem to be a variety of colours, so it depends on your... Okay, for the shako, use a little bit of Balthasar gold, which is like a bronzy colour for the front bit. The water bottle is going to be a light brown as well. And a little bit of the Balthasar gold to the chin strap as well. One of the last base coats and base colours is I'm using lead belcher for the barrel of the musket, flint, etc. The backpack, just coming with a bit of white for the leather, the strapping. And I've decided to make these the 4th company Fusiliers. A bit of a violet pom-pom. Alright, and let this dry for a bit, and then some washes. So now for some washes. First one, I'm going to use Reichland flesh. It's going to be for the bronze parts and the flesh, face and hands. And the next shade, I'm going for Agrax Earth Shade. Now, I usually would have gone for a Nuln Oil or a black wash, but because they're on campaign and they're in the Peninsula, I wanted them to look a little bit more kind of dirty, warm, grubby. I'm literally going over everything. except for the skin. And it'll really start to tie everything together. Bring back some of the details. Now I've got to wait that to dry and then bring back a little bit of pop of colour afterwards. Now that the washes are dry, I'm just going to come in. It's going to come in with white just on the top, just to make it's a bit pop again. Keeping the shadows in the corner. As they're on campaign. Happy for the trousers to be a bit dirty at the bottom. Add a little bit of a highlight on the top. I then come in with Evil Sun Scarlet for a highlight on red bits. Just coming in with some Prussian blue on the uniform, just to add a bit of a highlight on top. Tidy up any mistakes that need sorting. And it'll start to look 3 foot fabulous. Now with the flesh, I'm just picking up a kiss left from the cheeks and the nose, those bits, the face, just make it pop. Hands as well. Just on the fingertips, lighten brush, and on the other hand, it stand out again. Then coming in with Balthasar Gold on the cap, just to make it stand out, and the brass buttons on the tunic as well. The last bit of colour is going back on with lead belcher for the barrel of the musket, make it pop. A little firing mechanism. So I've mounted the French on a base. I do 4 on them, and then I coat it in brown paint because I didn't like the green popping through. If my basing goes wrong, I misses a bit. And then I work in some PVA on top. Now for basing, here's a little pot. I use Keep Gaming Scenic's base ready Mediterranean soil, which is pretty cool. I use the pot nice and easily, just sprinkle on top. Just make sure it's evenly coated if I need to. Tap it off, let that dry. Put it back in here. Keep it for later. And then the last stuff I use is the matte scenic sealant. So the matte scenic sealant generally holds all your bits and pieces together on your terrain so it doesn't fall apart, especially this stuff. Cool, so I'll leave that to dry and I'll show you. All right, there you go, it's all dried. First base, 4 dudes, based and ready to go. I hope you like this one. It's good to come back to doing a bit of Napoleonics. Got a few more videos coming up along this and some terrain pieces I'm going to build. So yeah, keep you posted. And alongside this, I've also got Curse City that I'm starting to paint up as well. So lots coming up on the channel, and I hope to catch you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.